the 2018 Jeep Renegade. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a rear window wiper, a tachometer, an outside temperature display, skid plates, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.